Yummy. You need to try this. First, peel your potatoes and cut them into small cubes. Next, boil them in salted water with a little baking powder. After that, preheat your oven with a tray inside. Next, drain and shake them to rough up the edges. And then, add olive oil, salt, and pepper. After that, bake until crispy and golden.
Meanwhile, chop cucumber, onion, and pickles. Next, add fresh herbs for extra flavor. Mix yogurt, mayo, mustard, and lemon juice. Season it and stir until smooth and creamy. And pour it over your veggies and mix well. Add your crispy potatoes and fold everything together. Crispy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Would you try this?
Follow me for more healthy cooking.